June 19th, 2024, at approximately 3:21 p.m., an Arizona Department of Public Safety state trooper was reportedly parked at a Circle K convenience store in Bisbee, Arizona. The state trooper reportedly observed a green, four-door Infiniti G35 sedan circle the parking lot twice before a woman jumped out of the Infiniti and ran to the state trooper as the vehicle sped away. The woman reported she had been kidnapped and assaulted by the driver of the Infiniti. The state trooper issued an alert, remained at the gas station with the female, and requested medical aid. Later, the state trooper learned the Tucson Police Department was also attempting to locate the Infiniti in connection with a homicide that had occurred earlier that day in Tucson, Arizona. At approximately 7:30 p.m., a Cochise County Sheriff's deputy located the Infiniti at the Chevron gas station on State Route 92 and Green Tree Drive in Bisbee, Arizona. The deputy observed the Infiniti exit the Chevron and travel west on State Route 92. The deputy initiated a traffic stop, at which point the Infiniti failed to yield and drove east on State Route 92 and then south on Naco Highway. The deputy pursued the Infiniti, and the driver fired out his driver window and through the rear windows they would respond. At approximately 7:36 p.m., AMO agents located the vehicle on Hull Ranch Road. Multiple Border Patrol agents responded to the area, approximately 2 miles north of the Naco port of entry. Border Patrol agents and other law enforcement officers staged their vehicles at the intersection of Hull Ranch Road and Naco Highway as the Infiniti continued west to the dead end of Hull Ranch Road. AMO agents provided overwatch by hovering over the Infiniti, and an AMO air enforcement agent opened the left rear door of the helicopter to identify himself as law enforcement to the driver of the Infiniti. The driver reversed and headed back east along Hull Ranch Road towards the row of stationary law enforcement vehicles, then drove into an open field south of the road. One of the Border Patrol agents reported that at approximately 7:38 p.m., as he stopped his vehicle near the field, he heard the air unit broadcast over the radio that the driver of the Infiniti was shooting out his window. The agent also reported that at the same time, he could hear gunshots coming from the Infiniti as it came into view in the open field. The Border Patrol agent fired 13 bullets from his M4 carbine rifle at the driver. Law enforcement personnel from the Bisbee Police Department, Sierra Vista Police Department, and the Cochise County Sheriff's Office also fired their weapons. The Infiniti continued eastbound, crossed over Naco Highway, and came to a stop in the field. At approximately 7:40 p.m., agents and officers approached the Infiniti and removed the driver from it. Once the driver was out of the vehicle, agents and officers began providing medical care. At approximately 7:41 p.m., an AMO agent requested emergency medical services. The following are U.S. Border Patrol radio transmissions from the incident. Radio transmissions are not in real time. Audio has been condensed and long periods of silence have been removed from this recording.
Hey, if there's anyone near Barnett Road, CCSO has shots fired at them from a possible homicide suspect. Shot at the CCSO deputy's vehicle. Took a right on Catherine.
By Deer Point. Is it downtown? So I'm heading that way now. I'm just north of Deer Point.
Copy that.
Who's got visual?
Hey, sounds like the suspect is a possible wanted homicide suspect, so be careful, he is armed.
Is there a description of the vehicle?
Hey, vehicle crash out on Naco Highway.
Yeah, it's a better location.
Go ahead.
I think I've got the vehicle going to a residence.
Hey, that vehicle's going to be crashed out of Hull Ranch.
Somebody's got the vehicle in sight. He's on the west side.
Hey, if there's any BP on scene, please advise.
Yeah, pouring out right now from the north. On scene.
His window was shot out. Your way, guys. We hit the fence here in a second. With the barbed wire. Hey, vehicle's going to be disabled. It's on the east side of Naco Highway.
Hey, we
A unit point up on the south there. The vehicle is just north of you off the road. Get behind your truck.
Out in the vehicle.
On scene.
Is there any passengers in the vehicle?
Hey, all we know of is the driver at this time.
driver's moving around in the front seat.
Hey, north of the incident, I'll start it from here. There you go. Be over there with the horse trailer, we can help with that. Last traffic, say again.
Hey, if you haven't run the EMS, you should probably send EMS out here.
Hey, how many injuries are there?
Officers are with the driver.
EMS is in rail. This is in rail.
Driver's in custody and receiving care.
I think they might have crossed the group there on those last set of hits.
Might have already been relayed. The vehicle stopped. Driver's out and detained. They're performing medical on him right now. Multiple gunshot wounds.
Hey, 10-4, all the agents out there. Hey, as far as agents, were there any shots fired from the agents?
We get a bird on the way.
Last unit, what do you need on the way?
Light on the way.
Well, yeah, 10-4, is that still out there? Can they expedite that a little bit? Hey, I'll come real quick. Hey, agents down local, it sounds like they're going to take the life flight to the helipad at the station if there's someone that doesn't mind breaking off.
Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them! Put your hands in the fucking air! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Right. Hey. Put your hands up! Y'all get them out.
I'll start it from here.
Let me see your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands now!
We'll be over there with the horse trailer, we can help with that.
I got it.
We got you. Watch it.
Just open the door and throw him out.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! I got you.
Coming out the back!
What's up? Right here. Back up. Get out.
Hands on. Coming out the back.
Right here. You have a gun anywhere? Not on me. It's in there somewhere. Hey, look at me. Oh, my arm. Hey, my arm, watch out. Help, fire. Help him up. EMS. Look at EMS. Hey, you got a medic?
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt, bro. It's just... I can't see. What happened to you, bro? Here. So tourniquet applied. You need that one on the leg, too. Where's another one?
Okay.
Don't move, bro. Don't move.
Help me.
We're helping you.
Breathe.
Get that?
Can't breathe. Leg. My leg.
Second tourniquet. Here you go.
Oh,
we got one right here. Does anyone have any cloths, anything like that?
Oh, yeah. I got a med bag.
Help me, please.
We're trying to, bro. Just don't move. Get that shit.
No.
Get that shit.
I got one on the hole. We need some cloth. Back.
No.
Here's the dog.
Help me. Please. No.
Under my thumb. It's right under my thumb.
Can you dump some water on me, please?
Stop moving, dude. Stop moving. Ready? Don't move. Ready?
Help.
Fuck. Is the tourniquet doing its job? Let's see. Just leave it.
Get some water.
Stop moving. You have another cloth?
Stand by. Chest wound.
Got a chest wound?
Okay.
Help. I can't breathe.
We got one on.
I can't breathe.
I got that.
I can't breathe.
Get outside.
Dump some water on my face.
Puncture
Dump
lungs.
some water on my face.
You guys on the shot? Okay.
I got 2 in the chest.
Help me. I need water.
Hey,
Water.
I'm moving. You're good, man. Keep breathing for me.
I can't. I need water.
The chest.
Here's another one.
I got another chest seal for you. 146.
You want some back?
Chest line second.
You know? Oh.
You check the back yet? I can't work that way. Back.
1, 2, click. We got an exit one. We got one exit.
Here's another chest.
Help me. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro.
You got 2 in the chest, 2 in the leg. Look at his wrist over there. We need to get him going.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get him going.
The Halo's going to meet you guys at station.
Most likely his accent breath sounds on there.
Water.
So
He's got at the station. They just advised that they're landing a helo out here
Really?
per Border Patrol.
I need to check myself.
Station? Yeah.
Somebody needs to clarify.
Can I get some water, please?
Grab the gurney. Let's load and go.
Help me.
We're not hitting veins, so.
All right, yeah, we're probably gonna have to drill him, so it's it is what it is.
Perfect.
We're just gonna try and get the gurney over here, get him on as quick as we can, and we'll start working on the way to the station. Does anybody have anything else, gauze or something, just to kind of splint up this wrist right quick, and we'll.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There should be a person.
I mean, if you want splint. Oh, God.
It's just something hard to keep it from getting any worse if we can here.
We're working on it, man.
Water.
Here you go.
Please. Please, let me get some water, bro. How? Fuck.
Yeah, doesn't have to be pretty.
Nope. I'm not making it.
No.
Do we have times on tourniquets?
We called it out loud. It should be with our dispatch.
Yeah, it's noted on our call, but I don't know what time.
Do you have a backboard here? If you want to...
Let's do it.
So he's got 2 to the chest, 1 to the wrist, tourniquet on leg and arm. Okay. He's got pressure dressings, no IVs. We're gonna have to drill him most likely. Okay.
Yeah,
because of the trauma. He's bleeding
anything.
out because he keeps complaining of thirst. So we need
1944 with the tourniquet.
We're trying to just secure this wrist real quick. because it's hanging on by skin.
Okay.
I don't want him to open another arterial.
Yeah. Ma'am, 1944 was a tourniquet.
Okay, both of them?
Yeah, but about the same time.
All right. Can you write that down somewhere?
1944.
1944?
Go ahead. Do you think? I'll get it. 1944. I got it.
And you confirmed helipadded station, right? Yeah, helipadded station. Somebody's going to keep the gate open for you guys. Yeah.
Please, water, bro.
South entrance.
Please.
No water.
Why? He said I love it. I really need some.
1944.
But I can't.
Shove it in.
I can't even get a full breath, bro. How?
Relax.
How?
You have another roll of tape?
Ow!
I got it right here.
Ow! Ow!
We probably need to start setting up everything we can for an inpatient as soon as the light crew gets here as well.
Okay.
Ow! Some water, please.
Hey, roll.
Roll. Anything off the bed.
One on the bag. And maybe
down here.
Okay.
Maybe in the room down
Go ahead and then leave the bed.
Give me water, please. Before you get in the car, please. Please. Water.
We gotta clip it down.
Put your leg down. There you go.
Where you going to that, ma'am?
There's little cars. And then go ahead and take. Oh, sorry.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay.
Should be underneath.
Right here.
You got hit right here.
Okay, just tighten that up for me.
There you go.
Alright.
Virginia, please. Water.
Okay.
If you guys want to carry him, I'll get the ambulance set up.
Let's go.
Where's the tight on this?
Right there on the right hand side. There you go.
Sorry, dude.
You good.
Yep. Alright. Ready? Arms whenever you guys are ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. On you guys.
What do you want to do? We're going to hit this.
Yep.
Hey. I'm falling off.
You're good. You're not falling off.
Help.
You're not falling off, dude. We got you. One front. 1 feet.
Big tree.
I got him.
Help.
Wire on the ground.